Once upon a time, there lived a very well-known family. They were extremely rich and owned many stores across the country. The family consisted of a father, a mother, and their only son. The boy went to school every day and worked very hard. Despite all their efforts, everything changed suddenly. The family declared bankruptcy, and as a result, they were forced to leave behind all their prosperity and wealth. With no other choice, the father decided to ask one of his relatives for help. He went to his uncle and said, "Dear uncle, we have lost everything and we have nowhere to go. Could you please help us?" The uncle answered kindly, "Of course, family must help each other in difficult times. You can live with us." Life became very difficult, but the poor family had no other option. They had to work on a farm in order to eat and survive. It was very hard for them to adapt to their new life. The child continued studying, but he still could not find a solution to their problems. One day, while they were working on the farm, they discovered a big box. They soon realized that it was the key to returning to their normal life when they saw a huge amount of gold inside it. They were extremely surprised. They took all the gold to a safe place, and thanks to it, they were able to pay their taxes and buy a luxurious palace. After that, the family became generous and never forgot the kindness of their relatives. They bought them gifts to thank them for their help and gave them whatever they wanted. Later on, the son achieved his dream and became a doctor after overcoming all the difficulties he faced. This experience taught the family an important lesson. Wealth can disappear at any moment, but hard work, patience, and gratitude never lost their value. They also learned that helping others in difficult times is never forgotten, and that true success comes from perseverance, not from money.